Hello, how to solve n to the power 4 plus 49 equals 0, solving for all values of n that satisfy this equation. Now, let's start with n to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 plus 49 is 7 power 2, and this equals 0. A power x times y equals a power x to the power of y. So we have n power 2 to the power of 2 plus 7 power 2 equals 0. So right now, if you have a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ap, this is the same thing as having a plus b raised to the power of 2. And if you isolate this a squared plus b squared, you have a squared plus b squared equals a plus b power 2 minus 2 times ap. So going by that means in this particular case, the n squared here is our a and the 7 is our b. So we are going to express it using this identity, a plus b power 2 minus 2 times ab. So we simply have for a plus b, that will be, we have our a is n squared plus 7, that is a plus b. This is power 2 minus 2 times a, that is n squared, times b, that is 7. And this equals 0. We have just expressed this using this identity. So from here, we have n squared plus 7 to the power of 2 minus, this is 14 n squared, and this equals 0. Now, I can express square root of a raised to the power of 2 as a, because square root eliminate the square here, we have a. So this 14 here, I'm going to express it as square root of 14. 14 is square root of 14 raised to the power of 2. So we simply have n squared plus 7 power 2 minus square root of 14 power 2 times n squared equals 0. Now, if you have a squared times b squared, this equals a times b to the power of 2. So the exponents are the same, so we simply have n squared plus 7 power 2 minus, this is square root of 14 times n, or we have n root of 14 to the power of 2, and this equals 0. So right now, there's power 2 here, there's power 2 here, and there's minus here. I can make use of this difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared. This is a minus b times a plus b. So we have n squared plus 7. That is a minus b is n root 14. This is n squared plus 7, that is a again, plus n root 14 equals 0. So from here, we equate each of these to 0 and solve them. N squared plus 7 minus n times root 14 equals 0. We also have n squared plus 7 plus n times root 14 equals 0. Let's rearrange this equation in order to solve. Of n squared minus n times root 14 plus 7 equals 0. So to solve this, we make use of the formula method. You write the formula in respect to n. This is negative d plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. We have a equals 1, which is the coefficient of n squared. b equals, this will be negative root 14. And c equals 7. We have n equals negative b. Negative times negative root 14 plus or minus square root of b squared. We have negative root 14 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a times c. There's no need for this one here. That's negative root 14 only for the bracket. So everything here is divided by 2 times 1. So from here, we have n equal, this is negative. Our n is, b is negative 14. So this negative times negative root 14, there's negative again here. But that was why I put the bracket. So you multiply this out, you have positive root 14. So this is positive root 14 or root 14 plus or minus square root of this negative raised to the power of 2 is positive. So this cancels this. So we have 14 here minus 4 times 1, 4 times 7. We have 28 divided by 2. So from here, we have n equals, this is root 14 plus or minus square root of, this is negative 14 divided by 2. So this simply means of root 14 plus or minus, there's minus here, square root of negative 1 times square root of 14 divided by 2. So we have n equals root 14 plus or minus, this is I times root 14 divided by 2. And this equals of root 14 divided by 2 times, this will be 1 plus or minus I. So we have two complex values for n. That's n2 or n1. This is my n1. We have n1 equals root 14 divided by 2 times 1 plus I. We also have n2 equals root 14 divided by 2 times 1 minus I. So these are the two complex values for n. Now, let's also solve this other equation. You have this other one here. N squared plus 7 plus n times root 14 equals 0. Let's rearrange this. You have n squared plus n times root 14 plus 7 equals 0. So let's solve it using the formula method. You write the formula in respect to n. So what we are going to get will be of n equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. A equals 1, which is the coefficient of n squared. B equals root 14 and c equals 7. So from here, we have n equals negative b, that is negative root 14 plus or minus square root of minus 4 times 1 times c, that is 7, divided by 2 times 1. We have n equals negative root 14 plus or minus. This cancel this, we have 14 minus 28 divided by 2. From here we have negative root 14 plus or minus 14 minus 28. And this is divided by 2. So from here we have n equals negative root 14 plus or minus, this is square root of negative 1 times square root of 14 divided by 2. This is I. So from here we have n equals negative root 14 plus or minus I times root 14 divided by 2. So from here we have n equals root 14 divided by 2 times, this is negative 1 plus or minus I. So we have two complex values for n. This will be n3 equals root 14 divided by 2 of negative 1 plus I. And this is n4 root 14 divided by 2 times negative 1 minus I. So these are the two complex values in addition to this other two that we have here, making it 4. So you have 4 complex solutions to this exponential problem. So this is how you can solve it. Thank you and goodbye. And don't forget to drop a comment and share my videos, guys. Thank you and goodbye.